Welcome back students. So in this video we are going to discuss about the new feature in PowerPoint and that is this particular record tab. Now let me click over here. Fine. So here you will get to see few options and one by one I will let you know that how to make use of this option. But before that, a bit of about this particular tab which is known as record or recording. Now this is actually an Office mix which was available in 2016 version and that was available as an add-in, means previous to that version also in 2013 some part of it means it was available, but that was available as a add-in and that is being known as Office mix. Now this is a 2019 version and here you will not have to add any add-ins, rather you can use it directly because it is being available over here. However, for some reason if it is not showing, then you need to activate that from the customize ribbon option. Means you can go to file, then need to go to options. From here you need to go to customize a ribbon. Now from here you can see this record option. If it is unchecked, you need to check it so that it can be visible. Click on OK. Okay, so this is the first part where we can activate this particular feature tab. Now comes a few of the more options. First of all, this is the screenshot option. You can take the screenshot of or screen clipping. Let's say I am over here and I want to take the screen clipping like this, and I can do that. However, this is not a new feature. This screenshot feature was available in insert also, and even today it is available over here, and that's the same sort of thing that's do. However, it is available in record. Now here is this feature which is known as screen recording, which is an absolutely new feature and very wonderful one also. Let me show you how these things work. So for this you will have to open a video. You can open a YouTube also. You can record a video from anywhere. Okay, so this is the video that I want to record, let's say. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on screen recording, then select area. I will have to select the area, so I'm going to record this particular area. Fine. And once you will do that, you will get to see this record option is activated now. You can click over here, but apart from this, a record pointer, if you want to record this pointer also, then you can, and if you don't want to, you can simply deactivate this. Now this particular pointer will not be recorded. Okay, so I am clicking on a record. It will give you timer. Let me click on play button.
Here we are going to understand one very important concept which has been introduced in the latest version of MS Excel in, let's say, in 2016. But
so I have paused it. Hover at the top of the section and you will get to see this option once again. I'm going to show you once again like this, and here you can stop it. Now apart from stop it, you can pause it also in between if you wish to. However, the recording has been done and you can see the recording over here. This is not a very suitable place where this particular video should have been. However, this is just to make you understand. I'm not going to use this particular video in my presentation. So once you have the video, after that you can manage it like any other video. I have told you from insert you can take the video, and what you can do to that particular video means you may go to playback, and there you can set whether this particular video is going to start automatically or on click. So you can do all this kind of setting apart from this video format also. So whatever option which are available under this video tab means once you have got the video from this video particular option, the same option will be available for this also. The only difference was here that you have got the screen recording option. So this is a very nice option. We have done the screen recording. Let me press F5 for slideshow. So here you can see, because I have clicked on the play
Let
button
me click on
a
play
bit
button.
late. However, it has recorded whatever we have done.
So I have paused it. Over at the top of the section, and
Fine. Here also you can test it.
so I have
Fine. So this is one of the features. So I'm going to delete this, because as I've told you, I'm not going to use this. So it is very simple. You need to just select that particular video. You can click on, or you can simply press the delete button and it's going to be deleted. Okay, so this is one of the features. So screenshot, we know already, this is the screen recording option. This is the video. If you want to get any video in this presentation, so you can get the audio as well. However, I'm not going to invest time into this because I have already made you understand. Um, now there is this option of save or show. It was possible previously also, but it is being given as an option in a record tab, which is quite impressive. Let me click over here. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me close this video. Okay, fine. Now here I'm going to give a name, that is my presentation. Save. Here you can see the bar, that how much time it's going to take. Fine, it is being done, I guess. No, again. It is saving. Press escape to cancel. No, I don't want to. Okay, done. So let me go to the desktop where it has been saved. Here you can see my presentation. So this is how it will look like. So let me click on my presentation, which is being saved in a show format. Now here it will not a PowerPoint presentation files, rather it will open as a show, means it's going to open in a full screen, and that is in a slideshow manner. So that is how it will open, that is in a full screen and in a slideshow manner. And if you will hover in the downwards, here you will be able to see few of the control buttons over here. And this is in order to go to the next slide, or you may click anywhere. So that's the second slide which is coming. This is the third, and this is how it will work. So this is how PowerPoint show version works. Let me press escape in order to get out of it. Now apart from this, there is this option of a record. Now this option was available in slideshow record over here also, and we have gone through this feature, but here there are few extra features that they have provided, so I'm going to show you. So let me click on record, or I may come here and from current slide I can select. If you are going to select from beginning, then it's going to start from beginning irrespective of whichever slide you have selected. But I want to start it from the beginning, so I'm going to select from beginning. So here you can see this particular window for a recording. A recording has not started yet. Here you can see the button of record. You can also see the button of stop. Once the recording has been started, you can stop it. You can replay it as well. Here you can give notes if you wish to. Apart from this, there you can see some extra feature. This is for laser pointer. If you want to point anything important in the document, let's say I'm selecting this, and after this, let's say I'm making a point that this particular word is important, so I can point it. Also there is this eraser. It can be used once you will use a pen. Let's say I have selected pen, and I want to show that this particular thing is important, so I can do that. This is the highlighter, so I can take it and I can use it like this in order to again show that this is important. So I have highlighted this. So whatever color option you want to choose, you can. Let's say I have selected this, and again I am going for the highlighter option. Now this is the eraser option, so I can select this and I can click, and I can erase highlighter and whatever has been written with the help of pen. So once the record will start, we can make use of all these tools. Okay, so let me click on record. Okay, so it's going to record my narration also, means whatever I'm saying, it's going to record that as well. So making presentation that stick, fine. So this is the laser pointer which I'm using. Now let me go to the next slide. Selling your idea is very important, and here let's say I want to highlight this made to stick, fine. Now let me go to the third slide. Here there are few important points which are mentioned over here, and out of this particular point is important. Okay, how many languages do you know to communicate? Fine, just one, because Google is going to do the rest of the things for you. Here there are few examples, and then let me click on this one, and this is the last slide most probably. Fine, and let me click on this. No, there are few more. Okay, fine. So once I've done this, and end of slideshow, click to exit. Then you need not to stop it. If you have used all the slides, click anywhere and it's going to stop. Okay, so overall there are many slides actually which I have used. Fine, so this is the feature for recording. Let me press function key and F5 for the slideshow.
Okay, so
And
it's going to
here you
record
can
my
see.
narration also, means whatever I'm saying, it's going to record that as well. So making presentation that stick, fine. So this is the laser pointer which I'm using. Now let me go to the next slide. Selling your idea is very important, and here let's say I want to highlight this made to stick, fine. Now let me go to the third slide. Here there are,
So I've pressed escape in order to get out of it. So probably you have got the hint about that how these things work. Now, in the recording, there is one aspect that I have forgot to describe it to you. Once you are going to start the recording, let's say, here is this option of turn camera on. So if you want to record yourself also, you can do that. Fine. So this is one feature that I have left. So that also can be used. Okay, fine. So whatever you have recorded now, you can export that in the form of video. So here is this option, export to video. Now here it's the recording dimension. So whether you want to record this in 1920 1080, the most standard one is this one, 720p. That would be more than sufficient, I believe. Right now, use a recorded timing and narration. Don't use recorded timing and narration option is also there. Why I will do that? I am going for this particular option. Second spent on each slide has been selected over here, but however, because we have recorded timings and narration, so it's going to take this only. So let me click on create video. Now here you will have to give the name and the destination. Okay, save as type has been mentioned over here, so I'm going to select mpeg4, which is being universally accepted. Click on save. Now here you will be able to see creating video, the presentation.mp4, and you can see the bar, it's going very slow in fact. So it will take a bit of time, but I'm going to show you that how this will look like. Okay, so video has been prepared. Let me go to the desktop where I've saved it. Here you can see the presentation, and let me click over here.
okay, so it's going to record my narration also, means whatever I'm saying, it's going to record that as well. So making presentation that stick, fine. So this is the, now let me go to the third slide. Here there are few important things. Do you know to communicate?
Very well. So now you have seen how important this record tab is. It is especially very useful for the teachers and for someone also who is going to present. And that is what PowerPoint is meant for. Previously, it was known as Office Mix, as I've told you. Right now, it is available as a record tab. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.